In the development of the White Swan, its initial purpose was as a response to the U.S. Air Force's Rockwell B-1 Lancer bomber, featuring a design that competed with its Soviet-developed competitor. As the world's heaviest bomber, the TU-160 has the capacity to carry nuclear-headed cruise missiles, enabling the destruction of targets in remote and distant areas within the continental theater of operations. Unlike the B-1, which functioned as a classic bomber flying to the target to attack its bomb load, the TU-160 served as a long-range weapons platform, allowing missiles to be launched directly from its bomb bay doors. The White Swan made its maiden flight in December 1981, and in 2015, Russian authorities decided to restart its production. A new version of the TU-160 was then built in 2017, making its debut in early 2018 during its maiden flight in January 2018. The TU-160M flaunts an onboard communications suite similar to the Russian Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet, with the capacity to carry 40 tons of missiles and is equipped with nuclear countermeasures. It is planned to be part of a planned fleet of 10 units intended for military use by Russia. As of 2022, the TU-160M2 is being developed in secret by the Russian defense industry, keeping its secrecy, although some specifications have been revealed. While maintaining a similar design to its Soviet-built predecessor, the TU-160M2 has upgrades such as an upgraded main weapons bay and improved avionics, as well as Kitov and K-32 turbofan engines. They're more advanced and efficient in fuel use than its predecessor. Michael Kaufman, a specialist in Russian military affairs, revealed that the TU-160M2's new specifications involve skilled Russian engineers. It stands as a prototype for the very An interesting aspect of this progress is the expectation that the TU-160M2 will be equipped with the latest Russian-made hypersonic weapons. Experts emphasize the significant focus on integrating hypersonic missiles into the modernization program, with Kinzhal or Dagger missiles standing out for their outstanding success. These bombers introduce a new mission system and are powered by an upgraded engine known as the NK-3202 series. This upgraded engine is expected to significantly improve fuel efficiency, overcoming issues associated with the original NK-32 engine, as reported by the Aviation Geek Club. The secretive nature of the project is in line with the norm in military initiatives driven by strategic and security considerations. The emphasis on secrecy stems from the core objective of protecting sensitive technological details from potential adversaries. This practice is standard in military endeavors, especially those involving advanced aircraft and weapon systems. The main objective is twofold: to maintain competitive advantage and guarantee national interests by keeping key specifications and features secret. Developers aim to protect the technological advantages of the aircraft. The construction and upgrade of the TU-160M2 is a major focus for the Russian defense industry. Although some specifications have been revealed, the project remains tightly guarded to maintain secrecy and Russian military superiority. One of the highlighted aspects of this development is the attempt to integrate the latest hypersonic weapons, such as the Kinzhal or Dagger missiles, which have shown remarkable success in trials and operations. The introduction of the more advanced and fuel-efficient Kitov NK-32 turbofan engine is an important milestone in the effort to improve the performance of the TU-160M2. The upgraded engine is expected to not only increase cruising power and speed, but also address issues related to the original NK-32 engine, which is an important step in improving the performance and durability of the aircraft. In terms of avionics, the TU-160M exhibits a communication suite similar to the Russian Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet. This demonstrates Russia's commitment to adopting advanced technologies and integrating them into their key military platforms. This upgraded communications suite can enhance the aircraft's defense and control capabilities in various operational situations. In addition, developers have also emphasized upgrading the main weapon bay and new mission systems in the development of the TU-160M. This reflects the focus on improving the aircraft's strike capability and survivability in the face of increasingly complex and diverse threats on the modern battlefield. With 10 TU-160M planned for use by the Russian military, the project demonstrates Russia's strong commitment to modernizing its strategic bomber fleet. With improved technology and capabilities, the TU-160M is expected to play a more effective role in safeguarding Russia's national security and projecting their power at the global level. This secret development project also demonstrates Russia's efforts to maintain technological and military superiority amid intensifying global competition. The focus on integrating the latest hypersonic weapons and advanced avionics technologies reflects Russia's strategic vision to remain a major player in the global defense and security sphere. The TU-160M not only represents an evolution of the iconic wing design for which its predecessors are known, but also a more advanced and effective platform in the face of modern challenges. With its capacity to carry nuclear-headed cruise missiles and long-range strike capabilities, it remains a vital asset in Russia's nuclear defense strategy. It is important to remember that the secrecy of this project not only aims to protect sensitive technological details from foreign spies, but also to maintain Russia's competitive edge in the global military arena. In this increasingly connected and complex world, maintaining an edge in technology and military capabilities is key to ensuring national security and interests. As such, the TU-160M is not only a fighter, but also a symbol of Russia's continuous efforts to modernize and strengthen their military power. As part of their strategic bomber fleet, it will be an important pillar in maintaining the global balance of power and protecting Russia's sovereignty internationally.